Howdy you all. Well, it seems like the aircraft noise might be starting to dissipate a little bit, so a big hello to everybody and great to see you all. And this will be my first full-length video of at my new home, so a much more positive video than what we've seen in the last 4 years. I'll be able to get Miss Positivity back. Well, some of you may be aware that I'd sort of lost all my clothes at my old place. My things that I sort of couldn't get immediately had been locked away and destroyed. So I've had to do a shopping haul and get some more clothing. So yesterday I was at Kmart, so just a quick haul, so please stay tuned and we'll go through everything that I got and some interesting purchases, I guess you could say. First up, a small reused bag. Just needed a baggie to put all these clothes in. I'd bought so many clothes, so anyways. And that was 15 cents. So we'll just go through what I got. Jojoba oil. Bear with me as I find everything. And this is nail polish remover. Had that at the other place. So of course couldn't get my nail polish remover, so got to get some more of that. And that was $2.75. A makeup sponge. Bear with me as I scratch around in the baggie finding things, but that's all fine. Arielle-Viking. It's probably found its way to the bottom of the baggie. Well, here we are. This makeup sponge, blender sponge. Of course, the one that I've got is getting quite old, so having to get a new one of those. And that was $3. Some emery boards, because the few that I had with me are getting quite old. And a 6-pack emery board, $4. Of course we all need those for our nails, don't we? So some more of those, and they're always useful to have. Face moisturizer. Well, I need more Arielle-Viking. Well, I certainly need more of that, and of course, being in a nicer place, I'm sure my skin will improve. So, vitamin C and collagen, brighten and firm day moisturizer. So, some more of this, and hopefully it's showing up in screen. And that was $5. Moving right along, a bamboo hand puff. Well, basically it's a loofah on a stick. Good for washing my back, of course. And I'd left mine at the other place and couldn't get to it, so of course having to get a new one of those. And that was hugely expensive at $6. I think a very good price, actually. So moving right along, comfort bamboo panties. Of course we always need more underwear, don't we? So got some more of those. And this is a 3-pack of your bamboo underwear, and that was a huge price of $12, which I think is a good price. And I got 4 pairs of these scrunch leggings, and they were on special, a huge saving. They were $10 each, and reduced from $25. Or $20, reduced from $20, so half price. And of course I had a stack of leggings at my old address and lost a lot, so having to buy some more. But of course, you know, they weren't new what I had at the old place, so I guess you could say I've got some new leggings for a new house. So the second pair, definitely very, very useful to have, and I wear leggings all the time actually, or gym pants, yoga pants, whatever you wish to call them. So definitely much needed. A size 18, which I believe translates to about a size 14 US, a size 18 Australia and UK sizes. So definitely needing those, and they're welcome. And of course a big thank you to Jocelyn Hope for Life Walker for the supers. I really love you, Jocelyn, and I appreciate you so much. So a big thank you there to everybody who's given me supers. And of course I will shout out channel members just during the video, and I love my channel members, and I'd love some more members, but we all know that you know, it cannot always be done, and I'm a member of a few channels myself, and I wish now, with being in a better place and a safer place, that I can join up and become a member of a couple more channels. Actually, I'm paying $80 a week less in rent here in my new place, and plus you know, not getting hit up for utility bills and that sort of thing, because the old landlord didn't pay the utilities, and of course they were threatening to cut them off. But soon we're not even going to talk about her anymore, and I'll become Miss Positivity again, like I used to be. But we have here total spend $72.90, and of course with 4 pairs of leggings or gym pants, whatever you want to call them, I've actually, because they were half price, I've actually saved $40 on my shopping. So that's a big plus for me. Anyways, we're going to call it a day for this video, and thank you to everybody who's watched. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please do smash that little bell and choose all alerts, and that's so that you get alerts to all my videos. Lots of videos coming, and of course we do have Christmas 23 is coming, collaboration giveaway coming up, and do stay tuned for more on that. And of course that will be for America and Canada only. Sorry for my viewers from other countries, but postage is just too much for us all. So unfortunately it's just the United States and Canada, and I'd love a lot of other channels just to come on board. And basically how that will work, or how this collaboration will work, is everybody makes a video outlining all the rules, and also they'll tell a little bit about their channel. We're thinking about like a 3 to 5 minute video, and the people who are involved will choose a semi-finalist from their own video, and they may have a question or a secret word or a hashtag or a phrase or something like that that the video entrants will have to enter, and then they will choose with the comment picker their semi-finalist, or they could copy down all the people who have given the right answer and put all the names in a hat and draw one semi-finalist out of the hat. But of course they can choose to give a prize to their semi-finalist, but they will have to submit a grand prize. Basically, they will have to send their semi-finalist to me, to the email address that I provide, and we'll have a grand prize drawing. And of course we're not really that concerned about what they decide to give. They may be crafters and give away an item of craft. They may be homesteaders and give away some seeds or a product they've made. Or they could give a gift card to somewhere like Walmart or Amazon or something like that, Hobby Lobby. Whatever they decide to go with, it's up to them, and of course the prize, the value of the prize is up to them also. Could be like a $5 prize in value or whatever they would like to. But of course the grand prize will be drawn out by me a bit later on, getting closer to Christmas. And the grand prize winner will get a prize from every channel who is participating, running along the same lines as FallFest23, which is just completed now. Oh, I've yabbled on a lot about this one, haven't I? But also, I'll remind everybody of my merch store. I do have a merch store. Links down below in the description. And there's also a shopping tab on my channel. So please do check that out. And anybody who buys merch is much appreciated. Anybody who chooses to become a member of my channel is much appreciated also. Anyways, we're going to call it a day here and sign out for the day. So take care, God bless, and until next time, bye bye. Oh, just waiting for the aircraft noise just to go away, but anyways, waiting for that to go. Maybe they're just circling around. Oh, the joys of being a YouTuber, hey? Well, this will make an interesting short, I guess you could say.